Hi, this is George. In Joy of Living Level 3, we really begin to look at how the mind itself creates our reality, looking at the nature of our mind. If you've previously taken Joy of Living Level 3, you might recognize that you already engage in the world differently than you did previously, before engaging in these practices. That said, these practices and teachings will probably land differently if you take it a second or third or fourth time, as I've done. The benefits of repeating Joy of Living Level 3, I don't think can be overstated, since the practices change me, and every time I receive the teachings, I look at them from a different viewpoint. If you are already a nature of mind practitioner, the Vipassana or analytical meditation practices we engage in Mingyur Rinpoche's experiential way of teaching this, really helped to build a strong foundation and a deeper understanding of nature of mind itself. So I encourage and invite you to come join us at the end of the month in Sao Paulo for Joy of Living Level 3. Look forward to seeing you there.